In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a listicle with Jasper AI. We'll walk through a simple, repeatable workflow that takes you from a blank page to a structured, AI-generated listicle, and I'll share tips to help you get a polished result without overcomplicating the process. First, open your browser and head to Jasper's app. Once you're in, navigate to the home area. You'll find it on the left side of the screen. Starting from home keeps everything organized and makes sure you're working from a clean slate, which is especially helpful if you switch between different projects or content types. On the home view, look for the Ask Anything field. This is Jasper's main prompt box, the place where you tell the AI exactly what you want. Think of it as your creative brief to the tool. The clearer and more specific you are here, the better your output will be. Go ahead and place your cursor in that prompt box. You're about to give Jasper its marching orders. If you already have a topic in mind, great. If not, you can still follow along with this example and adapt it later. Remember, prompts benefit from context like audience, tone, and format, but we'll keep it straightforward for now. Type this prompt. Create a blog outline for a listicle about 10 tips for first-time homebuyers. This gives Jasper a clear format, an outline, plus a defined angle and number of tips. If you're producing content for a particular industry or voice, you can mention that in future prompts, but this phrasing is a solid baseline for a clean list-style structure. Now, click Send or simply press Enter. Jasper will generate an outline that typically includes an introduction, a set of numbered tips, and a conclusion. Give it a quick scan to confirm it matches your intent. If the outline looks on track, you're ready to move it into the drafting phase. When the outline appears, choose the option labeled Use. This tells Jasper you want to proceed with that structure. From there, click Generate Now. Jasper will expand the outline into a full listicle draft, filling in each tip with clear explanations and practical details. That's the core workflow. Start at home, ask for an outline with a clear prompt, send it, then select Use and Generate Now. With those steps, you'll go from idea to a developed listicle in minutes. Once your draft is on screen, you can fine-tune tone, length, and examples to fit your brand or audience. And that's how to write a listicle with Jasper AI quickly and confidently.